Octember fail number 2. The toilet seat broke. Unbelievable. It just cracked. That's ridiculous. It cracked all the way through. It's just made out of like some cheap fiberboard or something, composite material. It's too bad because I liked this seat because it closed quietly so it wouldn't slam. But somehow it still managed to break. That is ridiculous. I've never seen that happen before. It didn't even last that long. It was only in here for like maybe 5 months. Oh well. I'll have to get another one. And they're not cheap. They're like 50 or 60 beans.